Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2016 through 2022 and possibly beyond Honda Pilot with a bare roof. This system includes three components, starting with the Thule Evo clamp foot pack, set of four, and the WingBar Evo load bars, set of two, offered in either silver or black, and the vehicle specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit. The fitting kit includes a set of four of these rubberized metal door frame brackets and four rubber contoured base pads, both of which have numbers assigned to them, which corresponds to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet that's included with the fitting kit. Those will be assigned to a particular foot. So here's one of the feet. I'll take off the outer cover. And here you can see we've already attached one of the stickers that comes with the fitting kit to help assign the appropriate fit kit components for the right foot. So this is assigned to the front left. So I would look at the instruction sheet and identify which numbered base pads are for the front left position, and then just press that to this plate on the underside. Just press around the perimeter of the pad, and that'll hold it in place where it belongs. Next, the door frame bracket just presses and snaps into place. Within the foot, you can see we have these silver tabs, and the silver tab will allow us to slide the load bar onto the foot. Let's do that next. So here we've cut down one of the WingBar Evo load bars so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a track on top. That track you can access with the end cap by flipping it open. And this track allows you to slide the correct hardware in between the two pieces of rubber to attach certain carriers directly to the top of the bar, giving you a very clean, integrated method of attachment for those carriers, and also allow you to use the full length of the bar to attach carriers to. Now on the underside of the bar here, you can see we have this other slot, and that slot is where we'll attach the foot. Within the slot, you can see we have a measuring device. This measuring device has numbers, and those numbers again correspond to numbers on the instruction sheet that will tell you exactly what number to slide this to, and that's where the foot will be positioned. So let's do that next. We'll take the foot here and press in on that tab and then just slide the bar into place. On the underside, you can see here, we'll bring it right to the end of the measuring device there. Now you'll notice that's left us with an open gap there at the top of the bar. Now, to maintain good aerodynamic performance, rubber strips are included with the load bars to fill in that gap. So I'll just press that rubber strip into place, and then you'll see how we've got a nice flow on the underside to maintain good aerodynamic performance. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and reinstall our end cap just by pressing that into place. And then next, when it's time to tighten the fastener here, tightening the door frame bracket into the door frame, a tool is included with the foot pack for that purpose, and you just tighten. Once it's fully tightened, this handle will actually click, indicating it's been tightened to the right amount of tension. Then we can go ahead and replace our outer cover just by snapping that into place and giving this plastic plug a quarter turn, and that'll hold that cover in place. Now you do have the option to upgrade from that plastic plug to an actual metal lock cylinder for the best possible security. These lock cylinders are sold in matched sets, so a 4-pack will lock all 4 of your towers. Now you can buy a 6-pack or an 8-pack or even order additional individual lock cylinders so you can not only have your roof rack all key matched, but you can also have various accessories and carriers all key matched, making key management very simple, just one key to lock and unlock all of your various accessories, giving you excellent theft deterrence. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the bare roof Honda Pilot This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for all the buying options for this roof rack system. Also, if you need additional assistance with the installation, we have a more in-depth video that will go from start to finish, actually mounting this onto a vehicle. Okay, that's all for now, and thanks for watching.